Right guys, I've been watching Dean over at Orion do his mini ferro rod kit. That put me on to, I believe it's James over at Harshman Hills. So I went over and had a look at his mini ferro rod kit. If you haven't already had a look, I'd suggest going over and checking the guy out. Got some cracking videos on there. Right, this is what I've come up with. This is the Super Slimline mini ferro rod kit. Easy enough to fit in the pocket. I'm waiting for a new ferro rod to go in this kit, but at the moment it's got an old one in. But we'll just open it up and we'll show you. So it's got the ubiquitous Ranger band on. It's just a bit of a inner tube. We'll peel it open and we'll show you what we've got in here. Ranger bands, as always, stretch them on, can't get them off. We'll peel our Ranger band off. At the back of the Ranger band we've got a striker, and inside the kit, let's open it up and we'll show you the contents. Sorry for the big hands. Inside we're waiting for a new ferro rod that will fit in here. The Scout model is just a perfect fit for this kit, so we're going to get a new Scout model, take the handle off and we'll stick that in here. So this is just the old one, just trying it on for size. Inside we've got the Ranger band, strips of waxed jute, six or so strips in there, and this is a cotton ball, which anyone who hands roll their own cigarettes will be able to tell you. It's just rolled into a cigarette paper. All we do with this, when we come to use it, we'll just slice the piece off, and inside that we've got a cotton ball ready to go. So it's a self-contained Slimline ferro rod kit. Everything in there to get a fire going. That's it guys. Let's have a look at yours. Thanks for watching. See you later.